Hello, TacKnives enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about the STSB1. This is a mini Italian stiletto firecracker. It is a double action, OTF. And for comparison, here's the wasp for a size comparison. And then here is an actual Italian stiletto for size comparison. I personally love having this on my keychain. It's super handy. It's got the little TK on there. Full length, this is 4.72 inches. The blade length is 2 inches. And the blade material is 420 stainless steel. The total weight, including packaging online, says it's 1.94 ounces. Let me grab the packaging a sec. This is the packaging. It's got a little belt loop in there. Let me see if I can show that better. Stick the knife through it so you can see it's got belt loop in there. I don't use this, but it was cool to have. I put it on my keychain with this, but on my scale, which I know is sideways, without packaging, it comes to 1.2 ounces. I guess 1.5 with packaging. This retails online at www.tackknives.com for $29.99. I will put a link down below in the description bar for this particular knife. There's also another one with a white stony finish. That is the STSW1. And I'll put a picture of that right here. I'll put that right here for you. And I'll link that below as well. This is just a cool little knife to have around. I keep it on my keychain. So normally it's on this jumbled mess. I have the whole family here. I accidentally ordered 2 of these, but... So I got the whole family here. Just so you can see, for fun. Here's the size difference. The size of this fully deployed is the size of the handle. It's kind of cool. It's a pretty handy thing to have around. I keep it on my keychain. It's not something like I wouldn't replace this with something like the wasp for daily use. This is my current EDC, but I do enjoy having this on my keychain. It's come in handy a few times. This is for, you know, lighter use, and I like it, and it looks cool. Thank you all for watching. Head to www.tackknives.com and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know in the comments below if there's anything else you would like to see.